Good morning, first graders. This is Mr. Stevenson coming at you from his living room. Today is April 1st, 2020. Today has another name, but I'm not going to go there. So hopefully all the families listening, uh, hopefully your day doesn't get ruined by the kids figuring out what today is. We have a lot to do today, but let's make sure we got through everything from yesterday. Yesterday was March 31st, and today, when we go to write April now, we'll start with a 4, and our first thing is talk about cut and sort. Now our words this week have one of the following rules. All the words have either UR, burn, IR, bird, or ER, her, What you're going to be doing is working on cut and sort that looks something like this. Now, if you don't have scissors and glue because you're not a first grade teacher, I've got a small warehouse. You can just take these words and write them where they belong. Okay, I'm going to pause the video here. You should do the same. And when you're ready for the next step, hit play. Okay, guys, hopefully the cut and sort went smoothly for you. Here is what mine looks like. Hopefully yours looks something like that. Before I have someone put on a bad hair day, I would ask each of you to go read these words to someone at your house. But once they said nice work, you could give yourself a bad hair day. Okay. So after cut and sort says pages 200 and 201, we finally did page number 200. Can't believe it. However, before we get into the pages themselves, I'm going to do some showing off real quick, and hopefully me showing you some things will make your life a little bit easier when we go into the math pages. So let's see what happens. So what I tried to make is a pan balance. Now, it's really just a piece of paper that I taped over a magnetic whiteboard, but we'll see what happens. Okay. So I'm going to try to use it as a pan balance in my hand, and we can see, there we go, that are there more reds or are there more yellows? Yeah, there's more reds. So let's figure out how many of the smaller number we have to start. Okay, so let me a Sharpie, hang on. Okay, here we go. Yeah, and I should be capping it, but I only have so many hands. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. Okay, so let me find 6 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kind of like that, and like that looks the same. Okay, I don't know why I got it out of Sharpie. The other piece on this red side is 3. So, how many yellows would I have to add to balance that out? So if I wanted to balance this pan balance out, I'd have to go 1, 2, 3 over here, and it would be nice and balanced. But if I take off these, the red goes down because there's more reds. Okay, so let me show you what that would look like. So I'm just going to write, we had 6 yellows, and we needed 3 more to balance it out to make 9. Let's see if that makes sense. So let me hold it back the way I had it. So we had 6 up here, plus 3. So over here we only have 6 plus 6, so we need to add 3 more. So 1, 2, 3. Does that balance it out? Yeah. So we could say, nope. There we go. 6 plus 3 equals 9. Okay. Now I'm going to make up a new problem, and let's see what happens. I gotta bend over because I moved the computer. So I gotta be honest, this is tricky I'm trying to figure out the best way to do it in front of the computer, so hang in there with me. We'll get through this together. Okay. Okay, now it's a pan balance. The side that has more should go down. Whoop. Okay, there are more reds than yellows. Do we agree? Yeah. How many reds do we see? We got the sun shining, so let me hold it like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. How many more yellows would I need to make this pan balance balanced? So, I could line things up. 4 here, 4 here, and I have 3 left over. So let me add 3 yellows and see if it gets balanced. Oh yeah. So let me write that out. Okay, I had 4 plus 3. Do we agree? Do I have a group of 4 here? Do I have a group of 3 here? Yep. Now, can I squish this together and make a group of 7? Yeah. Equals 7. Okay. I'm going to show a problem a different way because, you know me, I like to cause problems. I don't, but the book actually likes to cause problems. Don't tell the book I said that, though. Okay, gonna make life tricky. I'm gonna put all of my markers on one side. Okay, so help me with how many reds we have. Take a close look. Yeah, 5. Let's see how many yellows we have. 5 plus, so 5 reds plus 4 yellows equals, yeah, 9 counters. Now, instead of me building them, and I'm going to make them, I'm going to show you the counters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So I'm going to work on this page with you because this page I want to make sure we do a good job of because it builds on what we do today is kind of what we're going to do tomorrow, but tomorrow is going to be a bit tricky. So I want to make sure we do a good job today. Okay, so the elusive page 200. Okay, up here it says, look at this balance picture. How many more blocks do you need to draw to make that balance picture true? How do you know? All right, so let's talk about what's happening. Now this balance is flat. Do we agree? So that means we need to make these equal. So let's start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, we have 12 here and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we need to make those equal. How many do we need to add somewhere? Do we need to add on this side or on this side? Yeah, this side. So 10, 11, 12. How many did I add there? Yeah, 2. So we could say 12, and notice that the equal sign's there, equals 10 plus 2. Okay, the part that kids are going to find confusing on this page and the next one is that the equal sign is sometimes before the plus sign, so we got to make sure we're really thinking about what side of how to make these equations. Okay. All right, so on this, let's try down here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 there, and it's going to equal, we're going to have to add some to this guy to make it equal. So 6, 7, 8. Yeah, we added 2. Okay, down here. Notice that the equal sign's first. So let's see how many we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need to add some more to make that true. 8, 9, 10. So we added 1, 2, 3. Okay. This green side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus, yeah, 1 more. Now is 9 the same as 8 plus 1? Yeah, I have 9 there now. Okay, and this next one, this one's tricky because we have to draw and when they're all together. So we have 2 parts on this side. We have 1, 2, we have 2 pinks, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 burnt oranges. How many do we need to draw over here? What's 9 plus 2? I'm going to have you pause the video and solve that one on your own, and then we'll talk about the next page. Okay, did you guys get 11 for that last one? Because that's what I did, and that's what my picture looks like. Okay, good. Let's flip the page. Okay. So I'm going to do these first 2 with you, and then I'm going to ask you guys to finish the page. So let's see what happens. So over here we have 2 parts. We have a 13 and a 2. So 13 plus 2. So 13, 14, 15. Yeah, we could call that 15. Okay. Ooh, over here we have 1 big number and 2 parts. So 1 big number is going to be 15, and it's going to equal something plus 12. So if I count on from 12, 13, 14, 15, that's 3. Okay, I'm going to have you pause the video and finish the page, and you can do the whole page, and when you hit play, I'll have all the answers for you. Okay guys, so hopefully you didn't find those math problems too tricky, and hopefully you were able to find some items around your house to use. I know I have counters, but you know, I am a teacher, so I have a lot of things. I don't necessarily have all the things I want to have here at home, but I might have to be acquiring some things from school soon. Okay, so I'm going to hold up my answers. Now this bottom part, you can have a lot of different answers for, and that's okay. So if you need more time to look at the answers, pause the video, but I'm going to continue on real quick. Okay, so after math today, it says to once again write a letter to a friend. Now you should probably be getting pretty low on these papers, which is okay because come Friday, I'm not going to have you write notes to friends. I kind of have a plan. Okay, you're going to start with this big long line on top, and you get to pick who you write to. Remember last week I wrote a letter to Ryan. You could pick anyone in your class. Some things you need to make sure you do is have capital letters, periods, question marks, exclamation points, use finger spaces, and you need to write a letter for each sound that you hear. And we're writing to friends, so you have to use kind words. Okay? I noticed that a lot of kids are going on Epic, and today instead of me reading a story, I'm going to encourage you guys to log into Epic and read a story to someone at home with you. Okay? Hopefully, today I'm also sharing some information about what my plan is for the upcoming weeks. I have some plans. I've been waiting on other people that can give me the go ahead to do some things, and I'm kind of excited because I don't want to give it away just yet. But hopefully, along with this video, I'm also able to send out some information about kind of my plans for you guys submitting work to each other, to me, to us sharing our work that we're doing together, for us seeing each other and just saying hi to each other. And I'm hoping that I can also motivate the kids at home to work so that they can have a way to interact with their peers and our classmates. So we'll see how it goes. I haven't quite gotten all the okays I need before I make it official, but I'm hoping to, and I hope to hear from you guys soon. So hopefully you get a lot of information from me today and the next couple days, and hopefully we can get moving forward on some plans. If you have any questions, let me know. Send me an email, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.